This Belling electric induction range cooker provides excellent cooking space for preparing large family meals. The 5-zone induction hob can offer spacious and powerful options for your cooking. Reaching your required temperature at almost twice the speed of ceramic or gas hobs, your food can be ready that much quicker. The LED touch control clock and programmer can be set to go on and off at any time of the day. Designed for convenience and letting you keep track of your meals with ease, it's ideal for those with busy lifestyles who want their dinner ready for them when they get home. Containing 1 fan-assisted and 2 conventional ovens, this unit provides 3 times the space for your cooking needs, helping you to prepare various meals at different temperatures simultaneously. With fast-acting induction hobs and a spacious interior, this Belling electric induction range cooker is everything you need to prepare delicious feasts quickly and efficiently.